So this short video is just to show you the interior on the 3988 flybridge. As you can see, the current owner has done a nice job replacing the old carpet with this wooden veneer sole. Back in here we've got the boat's electrical panel, storage, we've got an ice maker. All the upholstery on the Salon sofa has been redone. Countertops have been resurfaced. It's got a nice country look to it. The wooden sole blends in with the wood that came with the boat for the cabinets. We've got a raised dinette right here. Galley is up. Double sink. We got a princess oven with cooktop. We got side by side refrigerators, and then the lower helm. All the rocker switches are in good condition. Shifters, levers are in good condition. As of today, when this listing was done, vessel is showing 2,107. It's a dry boat. These are just up here to keep the sun out. Blinds. My contact information is around here. Any questions or concerns on this boat, please do not hesitate to contact me.